Kuwangko Junior Cup. And the race is on for the 2011 Pilracom Ambassador Eduardo M. Kuwangko Junior Cup. Gentle Irony grabs for the early lead. Then on the outside is Queen Star. On the further outside, juggling act Sant Antony. Take Me Tonight. And passing for the judges stand for the first time. Queen Star, number 2, the leader from the outside. Gentle Irony is running by the row. 6 lengths corner back in third is 1A juggling act Sant Antony is racing in fourth by about 2 lengths alongside Take Me Tonight. It's the Gentle Irony regains the lead as they round the 3/4 mile distance. 1 Gentle Irony by half a length, followed by Queen Star in second. And running in third by about 7 lengths, 1-8 juggling act Sant Antony. And Take Me Tonight still running at the tail of the field by about 8 to 9 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Gentle Irony still hanging to that half-length lead. Queen Star running in second, and on the outside third, juggling act by about 6 lengths. Sant Antony is running by the route. Take Me Tonight as the action swings at the last 600. Gentle Irony this time by a length and a half, and on the outside Queen Star. Then here comes 1A juggling act as they swing towards the final turn. It's Gentle Irony juggling act, 1A rushing up from the outside. It's now juggling act. Gentle Irony is running by the Queen Star, Sant Antony, and nearing the finish line. 1A juggling act by about 2 lengths, and finally 2011 Pilracom Ambassador Eduardo M. Kuwangko Cup belongs to 1A juggling act. Second, Gentle Irony, Queen Star, Sant Antony.
All right, that was a superb victory by Juggling Act here in the Ambassador Eduardo M. Kuwangko Jr. Cup, race number 7. Juggling Act is from the stable of attorney Narciso Morales. Nelson Lorica is the trainer, and the owner, or the rider, is Jonathan B. Hernandez. With us is the sponsor of the Ambassador ECJ Cup, headed by Chairman June Castaño. And with him are Commissioners Lyndon Guse, Commissioner Jess Cantos, Commissioner Victor Toco, and of course Dr. Romy Bencamino. And from the host club, Racing Manager Dan Valmonte. And to receive the award for and behalf of Attorney Narciso Morales, may we call on Mr. August Romero to receive the award for the winning Juggling Act, the winning entry here in the Ambassador ECJ Cup. Mr. August Romero, congratulations, sir. All right, and the trainer, Mr. Nelson Lorica. Kiss Dawson. Congratulations, Nelson. Hold on. All right, so Mr. Nelson Lorica will receive his trophy from Chairman June Castaño for a job well done on preparing Juggling Act for this 2,000-meter lung-busting race. And the rider, once again, Jonathan B. Hernandez. Uno. Also joining the awarding area is Director Cons Maca Asisio III. Here is Jackie J.B. Hernandez to receive the medal from Chairman June Castaño. At meron din tatanggapin na medal ang sota ni Juggling Act. May we call on the groom taking care of the feeds, the cleaning, and also the training of Juggling Act. Congratulations once again to the connections of Juggling Act, Attorney Narciso Morales, Nelson Lorica, the trainer, and rider JB Hernandez. Don't go away, ladies and gentlemen. Standby lang muna. Meron tayong very important announcement or some words from